Hey guys, welcome to CAD 180 Revit Architecture. So in this video, we just go through the all the topics about the Revit architecture and it's all about the basic. So starting video is all about the basic, and after that we just take a part with the step by step how a structure can be. Okay. So in front of your screen, you can see there's a house design that I just draw it and it's completed, but the Photoshop part is still pending, so we just take about that later. But just go to the Revit now and just a look how the basic the part of the Revit in it. Okay, let's go. Welcome to the Revit Architecture workspace. You can see the all the tabs and the bars. You can see the properties and project browser. So I can tell you all these things. So first of all, you can see the project browser, which I named that project 1. So first of all, this is the view wall and floor plans, level 1, level 2, and site plan. This is a site plan for that. It's written as site and ceiling plans. After the ceiling plans, donated level 1 and level 2. And then elevation and building elevation, east, north, south, and west. You can see this is the part. This is the north side, okay, and similarly this is also the south side. Yes, but this side east and the another side was the other elevation fifth, or you can see the west side. So these are the four sides you can see, and your structure or your building, whatever you want to draw, and just draw in between that. That's why you can fix your elevation and your draw maybe it's a building or wall. You can just see that. Okay, so right now here is the floor plan, and here are some level 1, level 2. When you start from any drawing you start, and after that you can see the level plan, and here's the floor plan, the edit type, from where you can edit all your things. Means if you are drawing a wall, okay, so after the wall you just edit the wall, or you can you want to just decrease the wall thickness or wall length, so you can just go to the edit drive, and after that you will editing your all these things from here. Then you can see the graphic part is here, view scale 1 is to 100. This is the standard scale. You can see 1 is to 100. If you change the scale, you just click on that button, and after that you can see the 1 is to 50, 1 is to 100, 1 is to 200. Whatever the ratio you want to take, you can. Okay, then after that the display model, you can see the normal, the details level, course, parts visibility, show original. And if you want to show part, then every parts of your drawing it will be shown by the Revit architecture. Okay, then after that you can see the project north orientations. The orientations means which orientation you want to look. Okay, so that things described here. After that you can see the discipline architecture. Yes, that's the vital part, because we just doing the Revit architecture. If you want to Revit construction or Revit structure, there's the different part from the Revit architecture. From that part where you can find the river, and how the river being used in that Revit construction part or structural part. So in that in this Revit architecture part, we can just draw all these things about the buildings, building projections, building designs, not going in a detail of that. Okay. So after that we can here in the properties of a color scheme is a background whatever you want to for color or background color. So this is the basic things you when you start to draw any drawing or any building structure, you just observe all these things step by step. Okay, so don't need to frighten or don't need to scare about that. So right now here you can see this drawing bar. This is we have a wall, door, window component, okay, column and roof. So column having a part, structural column and column architectural. We just need to draw and everything about the column architectural. So we just concentrating about that only. Okay. After that we can see the component. Here's a place a component model in place. So this component part is a very vital part in a Revit architecture. If you draw a good drawing, if you are very much want to be proficient in a Revit architecture, so this part might be help you a lot. After that we can see the roof having a lots of part one by one. I just tell you everything. Okay, and the ceiling part, the floor plan, the floor architecture, floor structure, floor by face, floor by slabbage. So this all these things might be covered all the Revit architecture drawing. Okay, the curtain system, you can see the curtain system. Sorry for that. You can see the curtain system, curtain grid, mullion, railing, ramp, the staircase having a two part stair by case, stair by component. If a stair by component means it's totally designed by the Revit software, and you just put that thing on your drawing. And the stair by sketch is you have to build your drawing your own. Okay, so that here the model sketch, you can see the model sketch, model text. You can text anything and that will be shown in your drawing. Okay, the model line is the model line. When you the reference line and model line you have to draw when you just going for all your drawing, then you have to know that's how you draw the model line. Model group, the place a group, create group, load or infrastructure open project. So these are all these things that you going to be used in your drawing. Okay, not every drawing. It's depend how you will just draw and how you the thing you going to draw. There's a room separator means in each room when you're going to draw you can see there is the individually you can signify every room color and every tag you can signify here. Okay, you can see that. So that's the first thing. The room separator is the working as the same. You can see there means a plan or a room. So that's the thing is a separator can take a part of that and you could take a line and just separate one room to another. Okay. The tag room is the same work position here, and you can tag all your rooms. Means it's a kitchen or it's a bedroom or it's a toilet. And that's the area. If you need to want any area of any room or any structural portions area, so you could find from that. The tag area is same by face. So it's a opening portion when you draw any type of wall or any type of means roof, and you need a opening for that. So you can try all those things by face, shaft, that's a wall opening. Okay, and the vertical opening, you have a wall and you need a opening, so you can find from there. This is a dormer. We just talk about we will talk about the dormer later, and that's the large part of the dormer house. Okay, this is the grid part. When you start a drawing, you can start with the grid. Not so much using of that, but if you have a good structural plan and if you need a good means drawing, so you have to go through that. Okay, this is a set. So set work plan means when you create a reference line, you just need of that set. So that's a reference plane. You just need a reference drawing with that. Okay, So this is a structure. You can see the bar from architecture is a structure. There is a structure part is I beam. So this part I just told you that the structural architecture, Revit structure. Sorry, Revit structure. So this part is all going to a Revit structure. Okay. So of the system all parts inserts, annotations. Here insert you can see the import CAD. We can if you have the drawing in a CAD file, AutoCAD file, you have just take that file to import in a Revit architecture. So it's very easy. So I will show you later. Okay. Let We can see the load family, load group, the collaborate, views, manage. In views, we can see the 3D type. So when you start a drawing in a 2D, after that you need to draw, you need to see it in a 3D portion. So you have to click on that option. You just see your 3D view. Okay, this is a sectional view. If you need a drawing and you need a section, then after that you just place that section portion in your drawing and it might be show you in this way. You can see. Okay. Then call out is a very vital thing in Revit architecture. So it's showing the detailing of that portion. You can see you can see that. Okay. Then the plan view, elevation view. So here. So now I just told you everything of that, little and basic things of the Revit architecture. And after this video, I just show you all the from the starting of Revit architecture, starting from Revit architecture to the ending part. So everything I will tell you later. Okay, for my next video, please watching the CAT 180 Revit architecture.